Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is Suryan. This is part 2, data types in C#. In this video, we will discuss what are the data types available in C#. We have Boolean type, integral, float, decimal, string data types. So first we will discuss Boolean data types. So Boolean data types, it will store only true or false. Let's see in some example. I have one small program. I'm going to declare one variable bool I equal to true. So it means I value I assign to true value into it. So suppose I'm going to assign number to I variable. So I will get an error like cannot implicitly convert type into bool because I is a boolean type. We can store it only true or false. So this is a boolean type. So next one was integral types. So integral types we have sbyte, byte, short, long. So each of the data types they have certain range to store the values to that particular data types. Suppose I'm taking as a byte. So byte I have 0 to 255. So 0 to 255 different types of values we can store it in byte variable. So there is some formula to calculate this range to this byte. So here 8 bit of integer. So that means 1 bit is equal or 0 or 1. So like that 8 bit 2 to the power of 8. So that means 256. So 256 different types of values we can store it in single byte. So it starts from 0 to 255. So total will be 256 like that. So we have an S byte. So S indicates signed. So it means negative values also we can store it in S byte. So that will -128 to 127 values we can store it in S byte. So like that different types of data types have different range to store the values, like we have int, long, ulong, like that. So integer is a signed 32-bit integer, as long signed 64-bit integer. Let's see in some example. This range what we have seen here, we can find it in C# program also. Let's say an example. I'm going to declare one variable I equal to 1 to 3. So this is a int variable, we can store it in values. Suppose I'm going to check the integer minimum value, integer maximum value from the C# code. So I'm going to min value of int dot min value. So same thing we have max value also. So let's go and execute this program. It will print what is the minimum value of integer and what is the maximum value of integer. So likewise we can get the minimum value and maximum value of data types. So that is integral type. Next, floating types. Floating types we can use in our program like floating variables like float 1 to 3, double, like this. So next we will discuss decimal types. So decimal types we can store it in double. So I'm going to declare double variable I equal to 123.10. So like this decimal types of values we can store it using decimal data types. So next one was string type. String types. So I'm going to declare string. If you want to store any name or address or anything like a string type, we can use in string data types. Suppose I'm going to declare string name equal. So for the string variable we have 2 points. One is a quotations mark. So first one will be starting of the string and second quote will be ending of the string. So between these two quotations, if you declare anything, it will consider as a single value to it. I'm going to print this. So it got print. So this is a data types available in C#. So thank you for watching.